What's up, guys? Sarfo Carbell once again, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video, we're just going to learn how to take an ordinary photo and create this Spotify looking effect in just less than 3 minutes. Is it 3 minutes? I mean, in just less than as fast as possible. And without much ado, guys, let's just jump right into the video. But of course, the first thing I'm going to minimize this, whatever I have, and open Photoshop. So if you don't have Photoshop open, please do what to open Photoshop, and then let's kick it going. So the first thing I'm just going to open my image. I'm going to locate my image. Wait. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm now going to take the picture. So let's go straight into the Photoshop room and take some amazing pictures. That should happen for only 30 seconds. So let's just get there now. So that was it. That was just a quick photo shoot. Now let's choose one of those pictures and then let's just jump straight into it. So the first, I'll just go to open here, and I'm now going to locate where I had it. I think I placed them in a folder here. Yeah, so these are all nice pictures, very nice ones, but then I think I'll go with this one. Okay, and then let's open that one. It's loading. Why is it loading? Tell us why. All right, that's a pretty handsome guy standing there. That guy is me, and that's me in my photo. So let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this lock button to make it, just to unlock it, whatever it does to it. And then now there's one thing people don't mostly do when they have pictures is they don't crop. They just take the picture as it came. But that is one thing I'm very specific about. Just cropping a picture can just change the whole narrative of the story. So I'll bring it somewhere around here, and then when I'm done, I can press enter or click on the right side here. And I think this is very cool. This is very cool now. And the next thing I'm going to select and remove the background, and then that should be quick. I'll just click on this quick selection tool here, and then instead of coming to click here, I'll just go up here and say select subject, and then Photoshop will do a very good job for me by selecting the subject in there. As you can see, they've done it for me quick. So the next thing I do is I just hold Ctrl+Shift+I to invert the selection. Ctrl+Shift+I, or you can just go to select and then you can just click inverse. It's the same shift here. Then to invert your selection, once you are here with me, you press delete to remove your background, and then Ctrl+D to undo the selection. But as you can see, there is nothing there, so I'm just going to create a new layer. I'll come here and I'll name this. I'll bring this layer below here. Click my marquee tool, or you can just press M to, and then I'll just draw this. Take my paint. This one, I want to give a white background, so I'll change this color here to white, and then I'll just so I have white in the background, and then it's already looking cool because the guy in there is very cool. He's a cool guy. Okay, it's a cool guy. Yeah. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is so Ctrl+D to undo the selection. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the magic trick, and this is the magic trick. The magic trick is that all you have to do is come here to the adjustment layers and choose what we call gradient map. So I just click on gradient map like this, and you can see it's already looking like some way. But if I change it to, I think, reverse, something is already happening. We can see some stuff going, but the colors in here isn't the colors that we want. Okay, so now let's choose the colors. It's for the white, everything white. I'm just going to make it let me first of all make it something dark like this, and as you can see, that's already looking cool. As even this alone is enough. Someone who has this alone will be proud to have this design already done, and that's what I'm so crazy about Duotone. I just cannot do away with Duotone. To be frank, I won't lie to you. Duotones just makes me go crazy. So look at it, already looking aesthetically very nice. But let's try to see what we saw on our this one. So I'll come here again. Let me change this color here. I think I'll get some bluish, like that blue. Just tell me, is it not looking just amazing as you're already seeing it this way? I know what you're thinking. Just you tell me the truth. Okay, so let's roll. And then this I'm talking about, so I can change this. This color is very cool. I like the color. It's okay. That's already here, so I have it there. And then you can now choose maybe this color, green. You can even go as far as red. The thing is that you have to choose two complementary colors that complement themselves, and then you are good to go. So I can just play along with the colors, change the highlight and brightness. I can just do anything I want, and then it's going to look great because duotones just automatically look great. So I'm just going to do it this color, anyone that goes for you. But I think this green, this green works for me. Let me make the darker side a little bit this way so that it makes that pop. And so that's pretty much it. But if you look at the very main picture that we had, we saw this white thing here. So let's try to create that white thing. So I come here to select my ellipse tool. You can press and hold if it was on the rectangular tool and select your ellipse tool. So I want a perfect circle, so I'm just going to hold here, shift, and then just draw this. And of course, it's going to be filled with the color that you have here. That's your fore color, not the background, the fore color here. So because I had white, it's already white here. I'll bring the white somewhere here, and then make sure you adjust the size to the size that you want. I think this should be okay for me. But then realize that from the main one, the white happens to be behind the picture. So how do we achieve that? It's quite simple. So I'm going to come to the very picture here. This picture. This nice picture, and I'm going to press Ctrl and click on the picture. I'm going to press Ctrl and click on the picture thumbnail. So like this, Ctrl and just click. That will select the picture like this for us. Alright, but make sure that you have the layer of the ellipse tool selected. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a mask. Simple as that. So I'll come here. The mask is the one that looks like the white with the middle black like that. And that's it. I have created a mask. But then when you create a mask, this is what happens. Any part of the mask that looks black is invisible, and the part of the mask that looks white is actually visible. But so if you can see, things are a bit weird here, but I want the other way around. So I just press Ctrl and I to inverse the mask. So that means that the part that was visible is now invisible, and the part that was visible is now, I don't know if you get me. You get me? Yeah, you get what I did. So you can go right and just see. So that is pretty much it. So guys, that is pretty much it. That is how to do this duotone effect, or what we call the Spotify effect, in just 3 minutes. You can play along with it, come to the gradient map again, go to your colors, you can change the colors, have fun with the colors, play with the colors. Look, you have to play. The more you play, the more you learn. You can take this color like this, it looks very cool, even goes with the blue. You can go, I like red a lot, so I can come here like this and run all over to the reds. Where's the red? Baby, that's fucking red. Okay, that's red. Yeah, look at this. They are all crazy. So all you have to do is just go around, play with the gradient map, and then you're good to go. You can also further do one last thing by just adding brightness and contrast layer here, and then you can click on auto, so that computer automatically looks at it and tries to adjust the brightness and contrast for you. Is that not cool? That is it, making it even look more poppy and more crazy. So you can then later look, say I want to adjust a little bit, make it more contrasty or whatever it has to be, and bam, you are done. This is crazy. This is crazy, guys. If you got any value out of this video, make sure to smash the like button, or the thumbs up button, or the thing that looks like my hand like this down there. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing so that you join our amazing family. We learn and grow together. And without much ado, guys, I'm just going to catch you in the very next video. Peace.